Does your computer desktop look like a hurricane hit it? Are you terrified to open your downloads folder? Don't worry, we've all been there. A messy digital life is like a messy room. It's overwhelming and stressful. But just like you can tidy your home, you can tidy your digital space. Imagine opening your computer to a clean desktop, finding files in a snap, and actually feeling calm about your inbox. It's time to say goodbye to digital chaos and hello to a world of organization and peace. Ready to get started? Let's spark joy in our digital lives. Let's go on a digital safari. Our mission to tame the wild jungle of files. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Step 1. Create a system. Imagine clear paths in our jungle. Make folders for different categories: work, personal, finances. Step 2. Name files clearly. No more document 123. Use specific names like project proposal 2025 so you can find them easily. Step 3. Delete, delete, delete. Just like you wouldn't keep expired food, get rid of files you don't need. That old resume from 2018? Gone. Step 4. Embrace the cloud. Services like Dropbox or Google Drive are like extra storage units for your digital life. See? Taming the file jungle wasn't so scary. Now your digital safari is off to a great start. Step 5. The dreaded email inbox. A never-ending stream of messages, promotions, and newsletters. But fear not. We can conquer this beast and achieve the Holy Grail. Inbox 0. First, unsubscribe from all those pesky newsletters you never read. Think of all the storage space you'll save. Next, create folders to categorize important emails. Work, bills, travel, you decide. Now your inbox can be a place of peace, not panic. Don't be afraid to hit that delete button. If it's spam, an old promotion, or something you don't need, say goodbye. Your future self will thank you. Remember, your inbox is not your to-do list. Only keep emails that require action. Everything else, file it away or delete it. Step 6. Calendar control. Your schedule, your way. Your calendar is your friend, not your enemy. It's time to ditch the sticky notes and take control of your time. Let's make your calendar work for you, not against you. Choose a digital calendar that sparks joy. There are tons of options, from Google Calendar to more minimalist apps. Find one you love to use. Color code your appointments. Work in blue, social events in pink. Make it visually appealing and easy to understand at a glance. Set reminders. Never miss a meeting or forget a birthday again. Let your calendar give you a gentle nudge when you need it most. Schedule in me time. Yes, even relaxation deserves a spot on your calendar. Prioritize self-care and watch your productivity soar. Step 7. Absolutely amazing. Tools to simplify your life. Ready to unlock the power of apps? There's an app for everything these days, and these little helpers can work wonders for your digital life. For note-taking, Evernote, Google Keep, or Bear are all fantastic options. Jot down ideas, make lists, and never forget a brilliant thought again. For password management, LastPass or 1Password are lifesavers. No more struggling to remember dozens of complicated passwords. For focusing, try Freedom or Forest. These apps help you block distractions and stay on task, so you can power through your to-do list. Remember, the best apps are the ones you actually use. Experiment and find what works best for you and your unique needs. Step 8. Stay organized. The long game. Congratulations! You've decluttered your digital life and embraced the joy of organization. But how do you maintain this newfound bliss? It's all about building sustainable habits. Schedule regular digital cleaning sessions. Just like you tidy your home, dedicate 15 minutes every week to delete unnecessary files and organize your desktop. Make it a habit to file emails immediately. Don't let them pile up in your inbox. Step 9. Decide, reply, file, or delete. Review your calendar weekly. Stay on top of your schedule, adjust as needed, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being organized. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. By incorporating these simple habits into your routine, you can stay organized and enjoy a stress-free digital life for good. Join the digital declutter movement. Ready to share your newfound love of organization with the world? Join the digital declutter movement. Share this video with your friends, family, and followers. Let's spread the joy of a tidy digital life, one folder at a time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to spark joy in every aspect of your life. Together, we can conquer digital chaos and create a world where technology brings us peace, not stress.